Do you remember those countable and uncountable nouns from the previous lecture? Uncountable nouns like sugar, water, love, hate, and belief are hard to break up into quantifiable units. Often, they are abstract concepts, like belief, or consist of parts that are far too small to count one by one, like water. Countable nouns, like marbles and books, on the other hand, are easy to quantify. Distinguishing between countable and uncountable nouns will be important once again in these last handful of pronoun rules. The first rule we'll look at today governs collective nouns like group, jury, crowd, team, and family. These may be singular or plural, depending on meaning. If the group agrees, the pronoun is singular. The jury has made its decision. If the group disagrees, the pronoun is plural. The jury are divided on this case. Likewise, families can call for singular or plural pronouns depending on how well they're getting along. My family loves kayaking versus my family are fighting over the kayak. As an aside from pronouns, when talking about the number of, use the singular. For example, the number of students failing classes is dwindling. On the other hand, a number of is plural. A number of students will have to repeat the course. Finally, fewer versus less causes a great deal of confusion. For these, we need to use that idea of countable versus uncountable nouns that I explained above. Less should be used to refer to mass nouns. Those are the ones like sugar that we can't easily count. Also use less for fractions and percentages. I drank less coffee today than yesterday. I bought less furniture for my new apartment. I have less anxiety about grammar than about calculus. The survey reached less than 5% of consumers in that market. Fewer should be used to refer to count nouns. Those are the ones we can easily count, like books. I drank fewer cups of coffee today than yesterday. I bought fewer chairs for my new apartment. I have fewer fears about grammar than about calculus. There are a few exceptions to this rule. Less can be used to describe time, money, and distance. Make sure you spend less than $100. Usain Bolt ran 100 meters in less than 10 seconds. I ran less than 50 meters in 10 seconds. Like many of the grammar topics in this course, these number rules can seem overwhelming at first, but with practice, they'll become second nature.